Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by logging into the Sophos Firewall admin interface with an account that has full rights. You must also verify the device has internet and can resolve DNS so license validation reaches Sophos. Open Sophos Central in a new tab and sign in. Keep the license key or subscription information at hand. Once logged, navigate to System License or License Management to begin activation. Don't skip verifying time, NTP, and basic network reachability first. Now link the firewall to Sophos Central or upload the provided license file. Choose Register or Connect, enter your Sophos Central admin credentials when prompted, and authorize the device. If you have a license key, paste it carefully into the activation field and submit. The system will contact Sophos. Once the sync begins, watch the license status and allow automatic package updates. Make sure policies and HA settings persist. If you use HA, perform activation on the primary device first to finish by confirming the license shows active and that expected features, app, web filter, VPN are enabled. Once done, review policy sections to ensure new features are applied and run a test connection through an allowed service. If the license still shows pending, force a sync or reboot the appliance. This can resolve transient communication issues. Troubleshooting tip: if activation fails, confirm outbound HTTPS to Sophos endpoints and correct device time via NTP. Mismatched clocks commonly block validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.